What's up, coding legends? Welcome back to the channel where we solve problems harder than your morning alarm. Today we are diving into one of the LeetCodeCamp tracker puzzles, problem 488 Zuma game. It's got recursion, backtracking and a whole lot of brain twisting logic. But don't worry, we will break it down step by step so you can master it like a pro. This one's not your average array or string problem, it's like solving a mini game with code. Ready to take on the challenge? Let's unlock Zuma game and maybe a few neurons with VR at it. So let's code. Guys, let's start to solve our 488 question by the name of Zuma game. Now this question is a little bit bigger, okay, but anyways let's solve it. So let's read a question. First of all, it has been you are playing a variation of the game of Zuma. In this variation of Zuma, there is a single row of colored balls on a board. It is explaining me what type of game it is. Now, where each ball can be colored, red means R, yellow means Y, blue means B, green means G, or white means W. You also have several colored balls in your hand. Now, our goal is to clear all of the balls from the board on each turn. Like, first, pick any ball from your hand and insert it in between two balls in the row or on either end of the row. If there is a group of 3 or more consecutive balls of the same color, we want to remove the group of balls from the board. Number 3 point. If this removal causes more groups of 3 or more of the same color to form, then continue removing each group until there are none left. If there are no more balls on the board, then you will win the game. Okay, if there is no more balls on the board, so you will win the game. Now, last point. We want to repeat this process until you either win or do not have any more balls in your hand. Okay, we can repeat this process. Repeat. Now, it has been giving me a string by the name of board and we want to representing the row of balls on the board and a string hand representing the balls in your hand, and we want to return the minimum number of balls you have to insert to clear all the balls from the board. If you cannot clear all the balls from the board using the balls in your hand, then you will be write return -1. Okay, if you cannot clear all the balls from the board, so you can using the balls in your hand, so you can wrote return -1. So you can say there is one string by the name of board in which you write W, all the letters in capital W, R R B B W. W means white, RR means red, BB means blue, and W means white. And hand. In our hand, there is here create a one string by the name of hand, and the output will be coming R and B means R means red and B means blue, and the output will be coming -1 because it is impossible to clear all the balls. The best you can do this, insert R, so the board becomes W R R R B B W. W R R R B B W minus greater than W B B W. Then insert B, so the board becomes W B B P W. Then W B B B W minus greater than W W. So there are still balls remaining on the board, and you are out of balls to insert. So that's why we write the output as becoming -1 means that the game is over. You have been lose. Okay. Now, if you see example 2, here he created one board string in which he write WW RR BB WW, and in the string hand here he write W R B R W, and the output will be coming to Y, because to make the board empty, here he insert the R, so the board becomes W W R R R B B W W, means W W R R R B B W W minus greater than W W B B W W, means white blue white. Okay, if you insert B, so the board becomes W W B B B W W W W B B B W W man is greater than W W W W man is greater than empty. So there are two balls from your hand were needed to clear the board. Okay, so that's what the output has been coming to. So let's see our case 3. So here he created one board string in which the input it has been written G, and here he created one string hand in which the input he write G G G G G, and the output will be coming 2 because to make the board empty we insert G, so the board becomes GG means green green, and then number 2 it insert G, so the board becomes GGG dot GGG minus greater than empty. So two balls from your hand were needed to clear the board. So that's why the output has been get 2. So these are the constraints which we use to solve this question. Now let's start to solve this question, and this is a hard one question which we are solving in today's video. And total 81.7k people have submitted this and only 25.9k people accepted. And the topic is on about string dynamic programming stack, breadth first search and memoization. So let's start to solve it. So this is a rule of a LeetCodeCamp. Whenever we start to solve any question, so we first of all define a class of a solution. Okay, enter. Now let's start. Class solution def find main step self comma board str and str minus int start from I and remove continues. Here we defining a comment. Now def remove same as comma I if I less than 0, and then we want to return s. Back enter left equals to right equals to I while left greater than 0 and s left minus 1 equals to si, and then semicolon, then enter. And left spelling is incorrect, and then now perfect. Left minus equals to 1, enter. Now here we define while right plus 1 less than length. Now here I am finding the length of our s, and s right plus 1 equals to si right plus equals to 1. Now here I am finding length right left plus 1 if length 3 new s semicolon s left plus s right plus 1 semicolon, enter. Now when we do this all the things, so enter, return, remove same new s left minus 1 else return s. Perfect. Now enter back hand equals to dot join sorted hand. Now when we do this all the things, so here I define one comment board comma hand and step queue equal to collections dot dq and board comma hand comma 0. I think so it is perfect. Now when we do this all the things, so I am writing here visited set board comma hand, enter, while queue semicolon, enter. Now curr board comma curr hand comma step equals to q dot pop left, then enter. Now for I in range length curr board plus 1 semicolon, enter. For j in range length CURR and enter. Now here I am defining a comment, skip the continue balls in hand if j greater than 0 and CURR and j equals to CURR and j minus 1, sorry, here we j minus 1, enter. Now when I do this all the things, so enter, continue, enter back. Now only insert at the begin of continue balls in board, enter, if I greater than 0 and CURR board I minus 1 equals to CRR and j left side same color. Now perfect. Now when we do this all the things, so now here I am defining one pick equals to false, enter, and false F's will be in capital. Now perfect. Now here I am defining some comment like first is same color with right, number 2 left and right are same but pick is different. Now perfect. Now when we do this all the things, so now enter, if I less than length CURR board and CURR board I equals to CURR and j less pick equals to true. Now perfect. Remove this thing. Now write if 0 I length CURR board and CURR board I minus 1 equals to CURR board I and CURR board I equal to CURR and j and then semicolon. And when we do this all the things, so you only want to do it right here, pick equals to true and true t's will be in capital, then enter back, enter, if pick semicolon enter new board equals to remove same CURR board semicolon I plus CURR and j then plus CURR board I semicolon comma I, enter, new hand equal to CURR hand then j plus CURR j plus 1 then semicolon, enter. Then if statement not new board return step plus 1 if new board equals to new hand not in visited, enter, q dot append new board new hand comma step plus 1 visited new board comma new hand, enter back return minus 1, perfect. Now when we do this all the things, so let's see the running code. So now I hope our all code has been perfect. So now let's run this code. So when I run this code, so now it has been accepted. You can see our all the case has been accepted. So let's see the submission code. So when I submit this code, the submission code is also be correct. Here you can see it. We solved in the 684 milliseconds and 71.77% people have beat it. And I'm pasting this solution. Okay, easy solution 100% in Python 3. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy, so like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss these type of videos on this channel. So now you can also go to my profile and you can also view my profile also. Okay, now you can go and view my profile also. But anyways, let's meet you in the next class and next very amazing class like that type of videos. So now for today, goodbye.